So here's a bunch of mussels, and ideally I'm going to try and pick some of the biggest ones first. We don't want to deplete the area, but little guys like that, they're going to be great for steaming up. We're going to do a little bit of a fun take on your regular sauteed mussels. We've got some mussels, we've got some limpets that we foraged, and we've also got some really nice nodding onion. We're wanting to make sure that every mussel that's in that pan opens up. And any mussels that aren't fully open, you're going to want to discard because it's not alive. Okay, so we're going to cut some of these onions. I'm going to slice them nice and thin, and we're going to add these ones after the mussels. Once the mussels start opening up, we'll add these because I want to kind of preserve their flavor. So that butter's starting to brown, so I'm going to add whole chunks of shallot, or big rings of shallot here. So we've got some shallots, some garlic. We're going to add all of our mussels now. Got this beautiful Salt Spring semi-dry cider. And you can use beer, you can use wine, you can even use water with a little bit of lemon juice. It really doesn't matter. Good glug, good glug. And now usually you should have a glass of wine sitting right there, and you can add another glug for you. And now I'm just going to let that reduce down. I'm going to let that cook until most of that liquid is absorbed and all of the shells have opened up. So I'm going to add my limpets now. I'm going to add them in there, get them down into that broth. I've also got these Sea Forest kelp chili flakes. We're going to add a little bit of that because why not add some kelp back into the dish that's coming from the ocean. And a little bit of chili is going to make some nice flavor. So let's add that nodding onion. So now I'd say we're at the point where we can add just a touch of lemon. Take it off the heat. And then super simple to complete. We're going to garnish with some chive flowers. You can garnish with anything you want, or honestly, you don't even need to garnish. You can grab a piece of garlic toast, a piece of French bread, and a pinch of sea salt flakes. Here we have some beautiful sauteed mussels with a little bit of limpets and some foraged sea vegetables.